Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Love is the absence of judgment. If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. Know the rules well, so you can break them effectively. Silence is sometimes the best answer. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. Choose to be optimistic, it feels better. People take different roads, seeking fulfillment and happiness. Just because they're not on your road, doesn't mean they've gotten lost. Judge your success by what you had to give up in order to get it. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. Only the development of compassion and understanding for others can bring us the tranquility and happiness we all seek. Take into account that great love and great achievements involve great risk. All suffering is caused by ignorance. People inflict pain on others in the selfish pursuit of their own happiness or satisfaction. A truly compassionate attitude toward others does not change, even if they behave negatively or hurt you. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. The more you are motivated by love, the more fearless and free your action will be. We can live without religion and meditation, but we cannot survive without human affection. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. When you realize you've made a mistake, take immediate steps to correct it. In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the best teacher. Share your knowledge. It is a way to achieve immortality. The way to change others' minds is with affection, and not anger. Compassion is the radicalism of our time. If there is no solution to the problem, then don't waste time worrying about it. If there is a solution to the problem, then don't waste time worrying about it. The true hero is one who conquers his own anger and hatred. True change is within. Leave the outside as it is. A disciplined mind leads to happiness, and an undisciplined mind leads to suffering. It is under the greatest adversity that there exists the greatest potential for doing good, both for oneself and others. Open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values. I find hope in the darkest of days, and focus in the brightest. I do not judge the universe. If you can help others, if you cannot do that, at least do not harm them. When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. Where ignorance is our master, there is no possibility of real peace. I defeat my enemies when I make them my friends. Anger or hatred is like a fisherman's hook. It is very important for us to ensure that we are not caught by it. Happiness doesn't always come from a pursuit. Sometimes it comes when we least expect it. Anger is the ultimate destroyer of your own peace of mind. Let us try to recognize the precious nature of each day. The very purpose of our life is to seek happiness. Learn the rules, so you know how to break them properly. It is very rare or almost impossible that an event can be negative from all points of view. The enemy is a very good teacher. A good friend, who points out mistakes and imperfections, and rebukes evil, is to be respected as if he reveals the secret of some hidden treasure.